Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. You know, the world of video magnifiers has got a lot of new cool things going on. Our friend Greg is going to show us a new product from Optelec that I think you'll like.
Hi, I'm here to talk about the ClearView Speech from Optelec. This is a CCTV that can also perform OCR, optical character recognition, so it's something that will read out loud to you, transform text to speech. So this is really a CCTV that can act like a normal CCTV. You can have any document underneath here, you can magnify it, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can change the different color contrasts, just as you would with a normal CCTV. And everything is the same if you just want to do your viewing. But if you actually want to have some of the text read out loud to you, you have that option as well. So this comes equipped with a touchscreen monitor, so you can just touch this anywhere in the monitor.
Speech on. Position the text inside the window and tap the screen.
And you can hear it tells you what to do. So you have this nice border here, this bright blue and yellow border that you want to take your text and try to line it up in the middle as best you can. Okay, and once you do that, you just touch the screen again, so anywhere in the middle of that box. And it's going to take a few seconds here, and what it's doing is it's taking a picture of that document, and then it's going to bring that document back up and start reading it out loud to you. It's also going to section the document off into different sections.
Optelec ClearView Speech. Read documents with reliable text-to-speech / Optelec ClearView Speech.
So what it's done here, as you can see, is it's numbered your document off into different sections, okay? So if you have a document like this, you don't have to necessarily listen to the entire document word one to the last word. If you know that this is the section right down here that you want to get to, you can just
Capture the whole page and navigate quickly
you can just touch on that number 4 and it will take you there. If you want to zoom in, you can zoom in.
Zoom in.
So you can really magnify. If you need to magnify the text here,
Zoom in.
you can start.
ClearView Speech displays 4 pages and automatic.
Let's say you want to quiet it down.
Volume down.
You can bring the volume down.
Volume up.
You can bring the volume back up.
Volume up. Speed up. Speed down.
You can increase and decrease your rate of speech as well. As you see, when this plays,
automatically identifies the document or photo.
You have a border here that follows along word for word, so it actually tracks along with you, so you can read along word for word. And there's some other options as well. There's a little menu button down here, so you have a nice menu as well. You have an option to save this document. If you want to save this, you can. You can save a one-page document or multiple-page documents. It gives you the option to add multiple pages if you want. It comes with an SD card in here that it will save it to, but if you want, it actually has a flash drive slot, so you can save it to a flash drive. If you want to open those documents, you can open those documents as well, of course. It gives you the option to save them with a voice label, but it will automatically save it with the first sentence from that document. You can delete documents. You can change the voices.
Changing voice.
Current selected.
So we've changed the voice.
View menu.
You can also change the different color contrasts here.
Yellow.
Let's say, I'm just going to scroll through a few of these.
Yellow.
Let's say this is the color contrast that works best for you.
Main menu.
You can change that. Let's say you want to change the way that it's highlighted.
Highlight box. Highlight line red.
Now you can have an entire line
Main
highlighted. So
menu.
anyway, you get the idea. Now that I come back to my document, all of my sections are in that yellow and blue text.
Layout.
It's now being highlighted by an entire line as opposed to a word.
To various sections.
And one other thing I'm going to show you is you can hold down anywhere and it will zoom in for you too. And then once you've done that, you can actually drag your screen. Let's say you want to start right here again.
Switch instantly between.
You can do that.
You will navigate to various.
Alright, so you have a few different options.
Never lose
Let's say you want to do that again. Okay, you can swipe it down. Say you wanted to start at the beginning of the paragraph.
ClearView Speech displays
It'll start up there for you.
and automatically identifies the
So,
document.
Again, you have your normal CCTV, but if you want to have any text that is read out loud to you, you just touch the screen, it brings you into your OCR mode, you scan the document once, and once the document is scanned, you have a variety of different options, okay? You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can increase and decrease the volume and the rate of speech, you can change the colors, you can change how it's highlighted, and everything is done on a nice touch screen here. So it really gives you kind of two devices in one. It gives you really nice CCTV and a really nice text-to-speech machine. So again, this is the Optelec ClearView Plus Speech. If you want any more information, the name of our company is I Can See. You can visit our website at www.icanseeinc.com, or you can visit Optelec's website as well.
And so that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.